Let's dive into task management with Origin by SnapHealth. From the Origin dashboard, navigate to the household of your client. From there, review each of the tabs on the page to see if any research needs to be done before you send over a quote. Within a task, you can break down into actionable items, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks, whether it's verifying eligibility, checking if doctors are in network, tracking enrollment, and more. Assign subtasks to colleagues and add notes for context, making teamwork efficient and keeping everyone on the same page. Origin seamlessly connects to quoting tools, allowing you to generate side-by-side plan comparisons through HealthSherpa. No need to re-enter client information, just click the link from the task and all of the information is automatically transferred, saving you valuable time. As you research plan options, make notes so that you can keep track of why you're recommending certain plans. This will help you when referring back to this task in the future. As work progresses, mark subtasks as complete. Tasks are color-coded as current task, done but waiting on client, stale, future task, or complete. Tracking statuses keeps your dashboard up to date, so you know exactly where every client stands and what comes next. You can see here how we are checking plans to ensure the medications the clients take are on the formulary for the plans we are considering. Make it a point to go back to the task and note what you find. Origin makes it simple to create prudent recommendations based on your client's needs and preferences. Want a pro tip? Simply copy your plan recommendations. Then use an email template, like the one we show here, to send a polished email. It's easy, fast, and professional. You can even reuse the same language from our template in your own emails. Run an internet search for Outlook email templates, or Google Workspace email templates, to learn how to save your favorites for quick access. Sometimes, plan recommendations can get a bit wordy or technical. This is a prime example of where AI can help you craft a breakdown of the recommendations. Make sure you read any output they give you before sending it to the client. And remember to remove any personal or health information before putting a concept in an AI model. Track tasks waiting on client action. Origin and Nimble show you at a glance when you're waiting on a client, so you can follow up efficiently Once your client has selected a plan and signed consent, you can mark the waiting task to current again and add a subtask to enroll the client. Track future tasks, such as data matching issues, follow-up after open enrollment, or scheduling reminders for ongoing client needs. Origin and Nimble help you manage every detail so nothing gets missed, today or in the future. On the Task tab, you'll see all your assignments in one place. Tasks assigned to you, unassigned tasks, new items that haven't been reviewed yet, and, if you're on a team, everything across your group. Instead of clicking through different lists or jumping between households and tasks, simply use the button in the bottom right corner of your screen to turn on layered task management. From there, you can instantly click on and view the subtasks and notes for any task in your list, all without leaving the page. It's a smarter, faster way to manage tasks, especially during the busy Q4 season. Ready to streamline your workflow? Try Origin and Nimble today.